Hello, my beautiful people. It's your girl again, Chibi's Kitchen. I'm greeting you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are hearing my voice from, and wherever you are listening to this my video, you are watching this video. I greet you all. Good day, all. Now I've brought to our view again. I've come to prepare buns, Nigerian buns. Now I'll be showing you our ingredients that we are using for our buns. Join me, stay tuned, sit back, bring your stool, your chair, anywhere you are watching from. Let's fry our buns and let me show you all our ingredients that we are using for our buns. Thank you. This is our flour, 3 cups of flour. That's what I have put in there, inside this shifter, and I'm going to sieve it. This is our egg, my butter, my sugar, and my baking powder, my milk, and my oil for frying. Now we want to start to begin to mix all our ingredients together. Now we sieve our flour. My salt, my baking powder, my sugar, and I whisk it now. Now I mix my egg and my milk together. Then I pour it there and mix very well again. Now I'm putting my warm water. Now we are finished mixing our dough for our Nigerian buns. Then we leave it for some minutes, cover it. Then we move. Now we want to start frying our Nigerian buns. This is our groundnut oil. Yeah. Sorry. Now we want to start frying our buns. First of all, check it with a small dough to see maybe the oil is heat up enough. Then we start frying. That blue cake. Mm-mm.